Hi, to adjust screen brightness on Google Pixel Watch 3, all you have to do is swipe down from your current watch face and here find this sun icon, which is for brightness. Now you should see the slider and minus with plus. So to decrease brightness, tap on minus and you'll immediately notice the difference. And to increase brightness, tap on plus, like that, till you'll reach needed level. And additionally, you can enable adaptive brightness by tapping on the switcher, so the brightness of display will adjust depending on the lighting around you. If you can see that switcher is yellow, then adaptive brightness is on. To disable, tap it once and manually control brightness. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.